Lysis of bacteria has a major impact on aquatic ecosystems and nutrient cycling. The phage recognizes the host bacterium through surface markers on the bacterial outer membrane. The virus injects its genome and takes over the host cell machinery. The phage genome is replicated and viral proteins are synthesized. The viral parts begin to assemble into progeny and the host cell is degraded. Eventually, lysis occurs, which spills out the contents of the cell, including progeny and cell fragments and contents.
Within these contents, we have dissolved organic matter, or DOM, which is small, soluble molecules, including carbon compounds. Also, there is particulate organic matter, or POM, which consists of larger cell fragments and other insoluble matter. Due to its larger mass, POM tends to sink to the deeper ocean, while DOM stays suspended in the surface layer. When aquatic organisms, such as fish or uninfected bacteria, die, they become particulate organic matter as they slowly decay and sink to the ocean floor. This particulate organic matter can remain biologically inaccessible to surface organisms for hundreds to thousands of years.
On the other hand, DOM remains near the surface, where it can be readily consumed by other heterotrophic bacteria. Thus, viruses catalyze the movement of carbon and other nutrients back into the bacterial metabolisms rather than going into other parts of the food web. The net effect is increased food availability for bacteria, causing an increase in the bacterial growth rate and population. As part of this, bacterial respiration increases, leading to the release of more oxidized organic nutrients such as carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide can then be used by all autotrophic organisms and it perpetuates the carbon cycle.
Some of the carbon dioxide released during bacterial metabolism enters the atmosphere, and a portion remains dissolved and is available to aquatic autotrophs such as cyanobacteria. It's incorporated into bacterial bodies, which can undergo lysis and in turn provide food for other bacteria. Because this dissolved organic material released during lysis is mostly consumed by the smallest life forms in the ecosystem, predators such as grazing microbes are robbed of a portion of the nutrients that would otherwise be available to them. They are in effect partly left out of nutrient cycles. This changes both the ratio of bacteria to predators and the flux of nutrients through the ecosystem.